Area Afa, how na day? What's up, guys? I hope that you guys are doing great. I don't get up from my sick bed today. Since on Sunday night, now I take the sick bed, headache, stomach pain, everything pain. I dey fever, homie, hair. But make una just know say, all the videos when I dey post ever since, all those ones na my old videos. Because I dey post my old videos, then I go dey create new. I get new videos when I create down, maybe say I never start to dey post. Then as I don't get up from my sick bed, so I don't get up today now. I need to get back to work. But one thing wey be say sup, that's make I come gist una. Make I come narrate and give una je. Last night, I dream about something. Say I dey save somebody life. I don't know who I go save for dream. When be say I run, they pursue me for inside that dream. I run. I wake up this morning. Leg, don't let me take waka. See, this is my leg. Leg since morning, don't let me take waka. See, under of this my toe. It be like something when I use stay hit wall. They will continue to pursue me, but they will fail. I will tell them that the power that is in me is more greater than the power that is in the world. Yes. They go do. They go do something. They not going to do anything. They go fail. They are powerless. I will continue saving people in physical and in spiritual. I am destined for this. According to Benin language, so person know the come this world before he become king. Now, when the person dey inside he or her mama womb, now God don't take ordain that person to become king before the person will come down to this world. So this my leg where they say they pay me now. If you know, say you be that person when I save for spiritual, and you dey physical, you dey watch me, come buy me drink. Come buy me drink, because I saved you for inside that dream last night. My body be done dey dey okay. I be don get up, say okay, make I manage, make I start my daily activities. Then now I don't see this one now. Since morning now my husband they use rub everything, take they massage my leg, take they massage am. Make I for get myself back. My leg they pay me, and my leg not they let me take the waka. If you know say na you I save for that dream, you should watch me for physical. Come buy me drink, just come buy me drink now. I dey tell you, come buy me drink. But no evil come against us shall ever prosper. Never, because light and darkness does not move together. Never in this world. Okay, now new videos will start pumping because they can never stop my destiny. My destiny can be delayed, but it can never be changed. But you see this destiny, it will never be delayed anymore. And nobody can change the destiny. Area, we don't come back to work. Now I enter so. One love, guys.